Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. Today we'll have to find the angle between the lines. So we've been given two lines. One is in parametric equations and one is in vector form. So the parametric equations we've been given is xt is equals to 3t and yt equals to 6t plus 2. So these two equations represent one line. Meanwhile, the other equation we've been given is r is equals to 2, 3 plus t times 2, 8. Okay. So in the previous lessons earlier, we had learned that we can find the angle between two vectors by using this formula if we are given two vectors. But this time we are given two lines in two different sets of formats. So we can simply find out both of their slopes, the slope of the first line and the second line, and then use this formula using the slopes to figure out the angle between those two lines. So all we need is their slope. So what is the slope of the first line? Remember, the slope or gradient is basically rise over run, or basically y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the rise of the first equation is basically 6, which you can see here, and the run is 3. 6 over 3, since which is equals to 6 over 3 is equals to 2. So m1 is equals to 2. Now we have to figure out the slope of the second line. Let me change my color. The slope of the second line, remember the line is written in the format y equals to mx plus c or plus b, where m is the slope. So this is basically y equals to b plus mx x. So sorry, b plus xm, where t is representing x, this is b, and 2, 8 is the rise over run m. So the rise over run here is 8, since this is a y coordinate and this is x coordinate, 8 over 2, which is equals to 4. So therefore m2 equals to 4. Now that we have m1 and m2, we can simply plug these values into this equation to get cos theta is equals to 1 plus 2 times 4 divided by 1 plus 2 squared, 1 plus 4 squared. Now we can further simplify this and get 1 plus 8 over 1 plus 4 over 1 plus 16, which is equals to cos theta is equals to 9 divided by under root 5 divided by under root 17, which is basically equal to cos theta is equals to 0.97618. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse of 0.97618, and therefore the angle between these two lines is equals to 12.53 degrees. That's our final answer. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.